Hello everybody. Today we're working on a 2002 Ford Mustang 3.8. I'm going to show you real quick how to change your spark plugs. Try to make this short as possible, easy for y'all, easy as possible. Okay, you don't have to worry about remembering these. I'm going to tell you exactly how to do these. So go ahead and take all your wires off. Take them off down here, pull this holder off its holder, off the little stud here, just pop it up off of there, take it out. Just pull all these off of here, don't worry about it. Firing order is not going to matter because I'm going to make it real simple for you. Go over here, take your airbox out of the way, clip here, clip on the bottom side, unscrew this clamp, pull this hose out, no big deal. This will come out. Make sure you undo your mass airflow right here. Go ahead and take them all out on the bottom. Just go ahead and pull them out, no big deal. You might want to just pull this out of your way so you can get your plug wires out, make it easier. On these, there's a little bevel point on one side or the other. There's an opening hole. You can get your pick in, whatever flat piece you want to use, and pry them out. Get your wires off of them. Just get all your wires out, then get all your plugs out. What I used is this, except for on the back one, back here, number 6, I used just the ratchet in the socket. This is the ratchet I used. It's cobalt, got it at Lowe's. You can still get it at Lowe's. Makes things very easy. Go ahead and take all your spark plugs out. Then going back in with the spark plugs, do not use auto lights. You can afford not to. If they're not, if they got other better things in stock, I always use NGK or Motorcraft. Motorcraft and NGK, even for the cheapest ones, are way better than auto lights, especially the cheapest auto lights. And they're pretty much the same price, so there's no reason to use auto lights. If you're doing a Ford, just use Motorcraft. They're really not that expensive. People might think they are because they're dealer plugs, but you can get them at O'Reilly's. You can probably get them at other stores. Great plugs. They're for the car. Just use them. Don't use auto lights. I've had so many issues out of auto lights versus other plugs. I use NGKs in almost everything and pretty much never had a problem. I think maybe with one plug out of the entire years that I've been doing this. Anyways, you got all your plug wires out, you got all your plugs out. Go ahead and put your new plugs in, Motorcraft, NGK, either one will be good. That'll work. Now when you're putting your plug wires in, you're gonna have these 3 short ones and these 3 long ones. Very easy. All these ones are probably going to be basically the same length, so don't worry about them. You can put them wherever you want, then put your clips on them. These are going to be different lengths. Obviously, one's going to be the longest, it's going to be the medium longest, it's going to be the shortest one for that side. Very easy. And on the motor, right here, left side, you got 1, 2, 3. Right side, 5. No, sorry, I'm talking about the coil now. Right side, 4, 5, 6. And the way they go on the coil, very easy. That's why I said you don't have to worry about marking them. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 4. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 4. Front one on right side of the engine, middle one rear. Left side of the motor, which is over here, 5 in the middle, 6 very end, 4 very front. Very easy, very simple. So you don't have to mark it, just do exactly as I say and you'll be alright. This is a 2002 3.8 Ford Mustang. Thank y'all for watching. Very easy, very simple. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 4.